Do you want to extract data from all incoming resumes, like this one? Here's how to do it. Once you're already in the Extract AI app, you click on Create a Template. Give your template a name so you will be able to recognize it later. In the next step, define the fields you would like to extract from the example, such as name, contact information, past experiences, skills, and any other relevant information. Use a unique email address for forwarding customer emails or any other PDF files to Extract AI app. You will get the extracted data, structured as defined in the template, sent to your email address. You can also find all your extractions in Downloads or Extractions tab, where you can export them. It is also possible to send the extracted data using an API. Click the link in the bio to start now.